In Purple Mash and Purple Mash Library, there are a range of non-fiction texts for you to explore with your children. In Purple Mash Library, these can be found in the library section, and then in the bottom row we've got a range of poetry books and our DK Learning books. The DK Learning books in Purple Mash Library are organised by various themes. We have books around feelings, geography, history, science, and story time. You can click on any of these books and click on Read Now, and it will open up as an interactive version for you to read with your class. You can also schedule the books for your children to read at a later date. In Purple Mash itself, you can click on the reading section, and there is a folder all about Dorling Kindersley books. In here, they are arranged by various themes: science, history, and geography, as well as PE and well-being. When I then click on a book, not only do I get PDF versions of sections of the text I've been looking at, which can be printed and saved to my device as needed, but I also have a wide range of activities associated with that book. In here, for example, there is a comprehension quiz based around information I would have learnt in the book. There are also some writing templates and other activities, a painting one, and 2 more quizzes. Each folder in the Dorling Kindersley section of Purple Mash will have different activities associated with it, but each text will have a PDF version of the text itself, along with a comprehension quiz to check the children's understanding of the text they have read. Looking further down in the reading folder, there's a section dedicated to authors and to poets. Each of these folders has further information about the person in question, along with some further activities to help children understand the author or writer better.